Here we go.
Heading to the hotel. I'm with the Aussie again. So I'll see you in our room. Swimming pool. So I'm gonna do a little bit of time lapse.
Ho, ho, ho!
Are going to the shop. It's currently, what time is it? I still don't know what time is it, but it's almost Christmas.
Yo! We are going to shop and then Ryan died.
So we have 100 dirhams with us, which
But
is
the 50s gonna give in our mom, and then the change of another 50 is ours.
yep.
So, button flip. We're gonna attend in the elevator for 10. Try it. 1, 2.
Okay, let's go in, buy some things. See you when we get everything we need. Christmas, everyone.
Ho, ho, ho!
And that's our boat right there. Oh, I'm excited, boy. The boat, we had a little bit of problem. So yes, we've been waiting forever. And yeah, but, oh boy, what's going on? We're on the boat. Oh boy. So today is a great day, a big day. We're going to Motion Gate and Legoland. I think Bollywood, not sure. So I guess we're gonna see you there. We're about to go inside. I'll see you guys inside. So we're going there because there's a lot of rides there. We're supposed to go there. So yeah, I'll see you in Miniland. This girl, her ice cream fell. This guy has 2 ice creams. So I just have one question. Why isn't the ice cream melting?
Yeah.
It's supposed to melt by now.
In the frosty air. Ho, ho, ho.
Things are moving. Look at that fire truck. That fire truck's moving. And that bus is moving. Amazing. Look at that bus. RTA bus. It's moving as well. And then over there, behind it, there's like construction guys.
Do you want to go?
The rides? Yes, I do. Let's go! Looks fun. We're going in the rides. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Well, let's go! So we're going in this ride, but the problem is we can't record it. Because, you know, cameras are not allowed inside and I can't hold it. So yeah, I guess we'll just see you.
Okay? Please remain seated at all time. Get ready, guys. Here we go.
The kingdom growing more powerful with each magic book they find. Yes! And it appears that they are on the hunt for the most powerful. Yes!
Made it at Motion Gate, right in front of me. Beautiful. Okay, I guess I'll see you inside. Inside, baby friends. Food restaurant. See? Yeah, that meatball, a large burger, spaghetti, more meatballs, and that's a pie. So we're gonna go on that ride. That looks scary. So we're on Underworld 5D. It's gonna start. I think I'm not allowed to record here, so it's gonna be fun. Woo! Whoa! That's amazing. So we're in Hotel Transylvania. Oh, jeez. Looks nice. Oh, it's a slow ride. So we're inside Hotel Transylvania, right? Oh!
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, the bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air.
This is a great day. Now we're going home. We're gonna go home, gonna eat probably, not sure. But I'm excited. So today has been a great day. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.